Hello, in this video we will be dealing with the real estate loans, and we're going to see an example to help us understand the effect of rates and terms. So let's see this example. A couple plan to borrow $220 for 30 years to purchase a home. Find both the payments and the total 30 years cost, assuming either 6.5% interest rate or 7.25% for the interest rate. So we're going to need to use this table, the real estate amortization table, principal and interest per $1,000 borrowed. So per $1,000 borrowed, and therefore the amount to be financed in thousands, it's 220 divided by 1,000, which is 220. So we're going to need this number here, 220, to use in a table to find a monthly payment. So we multiply this value by the appropriate factor from the real estate amortization table. So for the 6.5% interest for 30 years, here is 30, 6.5 here. So we find the value is 632. So we multiply 220 by 6.32, and we find it to be $1,390.04. So this is the monthly payment for the 6.5%. For 7.25% interest for 30 years, it will be the same, 220 multiplied by, since we still have 30 years, 7.25 is here. We need this number. This is the factor, 6.83. And this way, it's going to give us the monthly payment of $1,502.06. And now, the second thing we need is to find the cost, the total cost. So the total cost of financing the home is the sum of all payments. So 6.5% interest for 30 years. The monthly payment was $1,390.4, and you multiply that by 30 years, and you multiply it by 12 months, because every year has 12 months. And we're gonna find it to be 500,544. And the next one is 1502.6 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 12 months. So it's gonna give us 540,936. So this is the cost, the total cost, if we purchase a home for 220,000 and the interest rate is 6.5% for 30 years. The home will cost 500,544, and if the interest rate is 7.25%, and so the total cost of financing this home will cost 540,936. And so the difference between 6.5% and 7.25% interest rate is about 40,000. But the difference between the value of the home's purchase and the total cost after 30 years is very high, almost 300,000. I hope this was helpful.